What's up, everybody? So, the worst is over. Now it's time to go check out the damage. Not too bad. It's just a lot of dead plants everywhere. Well, it's time to get to cleaning. Yep, well, we get to cleaning. I'm gonna take all these branches and stuff, and we're gonna burn it. It's the only thing that we could do. All right, let's get started. So what's up, everybody? I've been busy cleaning up the yard for 2 days already. Both yards, front and back. And this guy don't help. All he does is eat and sleep and play. Anyway, so I'm gonna go over Family Dollar, get some things for the house. I've been looking for a job. Now that I'm out here, it's pretty hard, but hopefully I'll find something. I used to work in a animal hospital, animal clinic, transportation for animals, all that kind of stuff. So hopefully I get something within that, area. Hopefully, I'm searching. Wish me luck, guys. Wish me luck. That I get a job, or else I'm moving out again, because I won't be able to afford this house. It's my life story for now. Thank you, Cheryl, for recommending the metal grate. I don't know if that's how you say your name, but sorry. Don't kill me if I get it wrong. Alright? But yeah, thank you for recommending that. I'm gonna go get that in like Home Depot or wherever the fuck they sell that shit. Thank you for that. I will do that. Hopefully it helps. I have been leaving on the music for him, but ever since we moved, he's been having some high anxiety here, so hopefully it calms down. You have bad anxiety? Hey, talking to you. I'm talking to you. You have bad anxiety? Yeah, he has bad anxiety. Look at this. Hey, that branch is too big for you. What are you doing? Hey, go, man. Look. Whoa, did y'all see that? Oh, caught it right in the air. This guy's quick. Yeah, let me go handle my business. Talk to you guys later. Damn, it's a little dark. Yeah, right. I'm over here, you see how dried. Everything is mostly dry now, so I'll be able to, look at that. The colors, it's crazy. Yeah, but now I'll be able to sweep all of that now. So that's what I'm about to do. outside of my house, and there's a lot of extras. Picking up a lot of work. Changed my shirt like 3-4 times. So we're gonna go ahead and light these bad boys up. Hey, what you doing over there? I'm doing some pipe work in the house. It's getting a little crazy over here. But yeah, bring it up. Go ahead and light this stuff up. What's that? What's that? Got another pile that I gotta turn on. I'm gonna do this small pile first. I'm gonna do small piles. Pretty much dead wood, so it should turn on pretty quick. There you go. You alright? Probably get out the marshmallows in a little bit. Some graham crackers, some chocolate. Pretty cool out here in Florida. It's like in the 70s. Really good weather. And there she goes. So out here in Florida, there's a lot of people that they burn their garbage. I just, go right there to the corner and throw it in the dumpster. We don't have there's no city dumpsters or anything like that. So people tend to burn their own garbage and stuff like that. I don't do that. I don't burn garbage. It's crazy. I mean, wood, all right, once in a while. But garbage? Nah, I don't know about that. So I just go to the corner. There's a gas station over here, so they have a dumpster. And I just throw all my stuff in there at 12 o'clock at night when everything is closed. I just run over there and throw my garbage in there. Instead of having to burn all that garbage, plastic and all that, nah, I'm not for that. Yeah, that's how it is out here. It's crazy. It's crazy. So yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching. I guess I'll be doing weekly vlogs and stuff like that, because I'm not doing much right now every day, and I don't know, I guess it kind of gets boring, so I'll do weekly vlogs and see how that goes. I want to thank you guys for watching, and see you guys later. Peace.